I want to be that girl. It's like, but my arms don't go that way. Oh, wait.
Be that girl.
The emoji that like the girl's like this with her, but my hand doesn't go 90 degrees.
I want to be what's the I want to be the one guy that's like he's like covering his eyes. The monkey.
The monkey?
Yeah.
I just elbowed you in the face.
What? We did the curtains.
You did the curtains.
I did the curtains and I did the blinds. And that's about it. But
I still can't do it. It's gonna upset me.
Huh?
No, it doesn't. Oh my god, what's wrong with you?
What me?
You can actually do 90 degrees.
What?
I can't do that.
Well, we finish our emojis. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.
Bye.